जिले से अंबिका शराफ कृपया तैयार रहेंगी।
ये वंदन की धरती है, ये अभिनंदन की धरती है। इसकी हर भूमि हमारे लिए मकसद रखती है, हमारी भावों को स्पष्ट करती है। दिस इज हर्षराज फ्रॉम द डिस्ट्रिक्ट वैशाली, विच इज नोन एज मदर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. Powerful people makes places powerful, and for today the definition of power is constitution that gives justice, liberty, equality and fraternity to all the citizens. My warm greetings to all the dignitaries. Again, talking about Article 12 to 35 of the Indian Constitution gives us fundamental rights like freedom, equality, education, protection and justice to all citizens. But ladies and gentlemen, we demand freedom. But do we take it responsibly? We want clean air, but do we care of our environment? We demand democracy, but do we vote wisely? The day when people of India think on this aspect, no one can stop us from becoming Vishwaguru. Viksit Bharat is not just a dream, it's a mission that belongs to every Indian citizen. And one nation, one election is not just an idea, it's towards it. And also, if the universities like Nalanda and Takshila will be reconstructed, the youth like us don't have to go abroad for better opportunities. And again, world see India as the land of opportunities. But now the question remains, are right alone enough? A strong nation is not just by demanding right, but by fulfilling its duties. According to Article 15A, if it is a contribution of youth towards democracy and uplift our democracy. But now, on what standard progress should be measured? Ladies and gentlemen, if India can launch Chandrayaan, lead in digital payment, drive a startup revolution, I think this is progress. If today's India invested in Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Abhiyan, Startup India, Made in India, Digital India, I think this is progress. From a poor agriculture economy to fifth largest economy in the world, I think this is progress. 33% seat for women in parliament and 73rd and 74th amendment empower local self-government. I think this is progress. All because our constitution is based on the progress. We youth are torchbearer of our constitution. Our rights gives us power, but our duties define our character. Ladies and gentlemen, let's not just celebrate our constitution. Let's leave it. Let's arise, awake, and not stop till India become a beacon of progress for all the citizens. I just want to quote, तलवारों के साए पर इतिहास हमारा बनता है, जिस ओर जवानी चलती है उस ओर जमाना चलता है. So ladies and gentlemen, last we must take an oath to keep ourselves loyal and patriot in order to save our motherland from any type of harm and attack. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. Thank you.